Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Power down and remove power sources so you won't short anything. Next, pick up the keycap, the small hinge or scissor pieces, and any tiny spring. These parts tell you how the key reattaches. Once done, use a bright light and a toothpick to clear debris from the switch. Debris prevents proper seating. Make sure to compare the hinge orientation to neighboring keys so you know which way the clips face when reassembled. Now you reattach the hinge. Position the scissor or plastic clips into their rectangular slots, aligning the little hooks with the anchor points. Press the first clip into place gently so it catches, then push the opposite side until you hear a soft snap. That snap means the hinge engaged. Once the mechanism moves like neighboring keys, make sure the spring sits centered if present. This step matters because a misaligned hinge causes wobble. Finish by setting the keycap on the hinge at a slight angle and press down firmly in the center until you hear a click. That secures the cap evenly. Then test typing to confirm travel and responsiveness. If it feels sticky or unresponsive, clean the switch with a cotton swab dipped in 70% plus isopropyl alcohol and let dry. If the hinge or clips are cracked, replace that assembly. Trying to force a broken piece causes further damage, so consider a spare part or shop service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.